Solved example. Simplify 1 over cos square x minus tan square x. Solution. Equals 1 over cos square x minus sin square x over cos square x. Since tan x equals sin x over cos x. Equals 1 minus sin square x over cos square x. Taking LCM of the denominators. Equals cos square x over cos square x. Using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Therefore, 1 over cos square x minus tan square x equals 1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.